All right, good morning everyone. So I currently would like to work on this fabric, but I got this to make a blouse, and my pattern that I plan to use with it hasn't arrived yet, so I'm still waiting for that. I really need more blouses, honestly. So I got 2 yards of this thin cherry print cotton fabric that I thought was really cute, so this will have to be for the future. Now, one thing I can work on though is this, because I have the fabric. I don't have the white bias binding that I would need to finish it. I don't know if I would have enough white cotton fabric that I have to make bias binding, so I could at least get started on this project though. But I wanted to make this Simplicity 5449 a dress pattern, wrap dress pattern. Because I think it would be really adorable for Christmas and baking and things like that. I just think it'd be a really cute holiday outfit. Alright, so this is the pattern. It is in size 18 for a 38-inch bust. And here's the pattern pieces. I haven't checked to see if they're all here, but hopefully they are. And this is what the back looks like. Alright, so I pulled everything out and everything looks like it is here. We have the ties, this side that wraps around the back, the side that wraps around the back. There's two, there's a bodice front, a bodice back, and then a skirt front and a skirt back which cut on the fold. So yeah, this basically looks like the Walkaway dress but in reverse. So that's like the reason why I bought it, a big part. Plus, doesn't it look like the perfect baking ensemble? Like, yeah, and I think it'll be super cute in this red plaid. And then we can get some white bias binding later maybe, so I can finish this up. Alright, so I have everything cut out. This is the side panel piece, this is the front bodice, this is the front skirt. But basically what I do as I cut, I like to put a white pin in the pieces that are for the front of the dress. That way I don't get confused because the front and the back look very similar. So the front pieces all have a white pin in them, and then the back pieces I just have draped over this chair. But that way I know which pieces go to which side of the dress for now. The one piece I didn't cut out yet is for the ties in the back, because I think I will make those white so they stand out. And this is my leftover red plaid fabric, and I'm thinking I will save all of the scraps because I might be able to make like Christmas ornaments or cat toys, festive Christmassy happy things out of little pieces. Like, it's super easy to make cat toys. You just take a little scrap, fold it over, sew it around, stuff some stuffing in there with some catnip, and you have a festive little cat toy. So there might be some little things like ornaments and maybe a stocking. I don't know. We'll see. I'll have to think about it because I really love this fabric. It's just so, I don't know. I love plaids, and like especially red and like Christmassy colored. It has red and green, yellow in it. It just looks so cute and I love it. So I will be thinking of things to do with the little remaining pieces, as well as the, I mean, there's some big spots to this. We should be able to make something else out of this. So I might have a blouse pattern come today, and I'm curious if out of this bigger piece of fabric, I cut off all of the scrappy bits. This is my scrap pile. So I will try to figure out little projects I can do with that. But I wonder if this would be enough to squeeze a blouse out of. I think it might be. This might be enough that I could get a blouse out of it. See, there's like two long pieces here that are thinner from where I cut out the skirt pieces that left these long, thinner pieces. And then in the middle area, there's the bigger piece. So I'm wondering if I could get the front and back out of this and maybe get sleeves out of these side long pieces. We will have to see. I would love to have a blouse in this fabric. That would be nice. Well, I have pinned all of the darts, but I'm gonna need to wrangle my skirt from Princess. There's how many darts in the skirt? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, for shaping at the skirt part. So all of the darts are sewn for the front bodice and the skirt. Now I'm going to put on the side pieces onto the bodice. So these get attached like this, and they will form those sides, and then there'll be a tie that we put in later at the sides, because it is a wrap dress that you tie to keep it closed. Alrighty, so I finished the front and the back. I did all the darts and I sewed on the little side pieces. Now I have the front and back facing right sides together, and I pinned it together at the shoulder straps. This is the back of the dress, and then this is the front under here. So now I'm going to sew it together at the shoulders. Alright, so what I've just done is tucked in all of the seam edges on the inside, including the shoulder straps, and where the side wrap pieces attach to the front and backs of the dress. And I'm going to probably sit here and sew those down by hand while I watch a little pole dark. Alright, so I forgot I actually do have a whole roll of, it is polyester, but I got it for really cheap, so it is some white binding that I can use to finish this, and if there's enough, I think I should be able to use this for the ties as well, so it all blends in. Alright, so I did a design choice here. I thought it would pull in at the waist better. Oh my gosh, stops. Yeah, go down here. I thought it would pull in at the waist better if I had like the tie going from 2 spots here. And it's a design choice, you know, to have a little piece here making a little V thing to tie around. So yeah, I'm going to be sewing these together, and these will be the ties, and I'll have to tuck this end in as well. Bubs, what are you doing, Bubs? Bubs? Bubs, what are you doing? What are you doing, Bubs? Oh my goodness. Alright, time to get my sewing machine out. Alright, so I love how this dress turned out. It is so cute. I just love red plaids so much. I think they're so cute for like the Christmas season, and honestly I would just wear it in general. It's just really cute. I like how this dress turned out. I like it more than the Walkaway dress, I think. I like the ties. Now, for wrap dresses in general, I feel like there could be the downside that they aren't necessarily the most secure garments, since they don't like fully enclose around the body. They're just like, it's literally held together by the ties. But I think this one actually held together really good. I think if I did wear it out, I would definitely wear, like, I would wear a shirt under sleeveless dresses in general, because I feel more comfortable that way. And then I did wear these opaque tights with this. Sorry about the shadow from my phone. That's what I film with. But yeah, I would definitely wear like shorts or opaque tights or something underneath if I were to wear it out. But which I probably will wear it out actually. But I think this one I like better than the Walkaway dress, honestly. I think the white against the red is also adorable. And I love that I can wear my new blouse that I made with the cherry print with it, and it just goes perfectly. I love it. It turned out super cute. I would make this pattern again, but I think I do prefer dresses that are just like full dresses, not just wrap dresses, but I will wear this one, and I love the fabric so much. Hi, Bubble! Or Buttercup? You're Buttercup. Oh. Good morning, love. Oh, she is so sweet. You just want to cuddle with Mama, huh? I love you too, baby. I love you too, Buttercup. You want to say bye to everybody? We're doing the outro. The conclusion. Oh my goodness. So my conclusion is 10 out of 10 kittens fostering. Foster some kittens if you can. But yeah, oh my gosh, you're just so sweet. I love you. Okay. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a good day. Bye. Maybe I should actually do the YouTube thing where I ask people to like and subscribe, because that would be really helpful. To my channel. Actually, the knitting video I did recently did better than my other videos, some of my other sewing videos, so I might do some more knitting. Actually, I will be, because I have projects planned. Oh my gosh, I'm so distracted by a Buttercup right now. She's just being the sweetest kitty. Okay, thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.